In today's video, I'm going to show you how to toggle privacy mode in Cursor. First, open Cursor and go to Settings by clicking the gear icon at the top. Next, head over to the Privacy section. Here, you'll see an option called Data Sharing. This is what Cursor now uses instead of separate privacy mode toggle. If you have access to it, you can turn data sharing off to enable privacy mode, which means your data won't be used to improve AI models. However, if you're on the free plan, you might notice there's no option to turn it off. That's because AI features cost money to run, and on free tiers, companies often require data sharing to help improve models and offset those costs. So in that case, the setting may appear enabled by default and not be changeable. If privacy is important for your workflow, you may need to upgrade to a plan that allows disabling data sharing. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.